Hi friends, welcome to POFO WordPress Theme. In this video we will show how to use lists shortcode in WP Bakery Page Builder and explain about different helpful settings and different styles of lists shortcode. Lists shortcode can be used to represent features, topics, and benefits in bulleted list and creative presentation style. So first of all, log into WordPress admin backend, then create a new page or edit your existing page. Now you can see add element with plus icon. Click on row shortcode. Row shortcode is added to your page. Inside row, click on plus icon inside column. In pop-up window select POFO tab and click on lists shortcode. POFO contains 7 different list styles. So let me select list style 1. Text case. Using this option you can set text content case like uppercase, lowercase or capitalize. Let me select uppercase here. Manage list content. Here you can enter multiple content of your list items. Let me enter text here. Using plus icon you can add new list item or you can use clone row option to clone existing item. Let me clone this row and update text data. Let me clone it again and update text data. So we can have added 4 items. Go to Style tab, here you can select text color. Let me select green color. Go to Extra tab, this is element ID, you can assign unique ID to your element, then extra class name. You can add CSS class name here and then write custom CSS for this row. You can add custom CSS code in Appearance Customize panel, or you can add custom CSS code in Child Theme style file also. Let me save changes and preview it. You can list contents here with green color text as per data added. Go back to General tab again and let me select Style 2. Save changes and preview it. You can see Style 2 here. Go back to General tab again and let me select Style 3. Save changes and preview it. You can see Style 3 here. You can check other styles with previews. I hope this video has been helpful. Any more question about same or theme you can contact via our support. Thank you for watching.